Daga jings ngokumen ban yora yaganam Lahduh haga Limpung district level interschool athletic meet arajar arpusan haga arpusan trik uyayong ki Khynnah school ke North Liberty High Secondary School Joai West Jentia Hills kila Kynting shalor yo principal Jongki uba Richard Yuria haringkat ke jing risa kum ka dak ke jing kemen bat ke jing jom Hagani ke Limpung ke North Liberty High Secondary School kalayo ra arpo hunreu teli kita kemak siar kat hunreu teli kita kemar rupa bat kat ar teli kita kemar renong neki jingele kai baper Komban sukdo yagani ke Limpung la penlong hagi lais ni lenter bala penyai deka office district sports officer ke West Jentia Hills haringkat ke jinge trailang bat ke West Jentia District Sports Association ke balalong hamadan kiang nang ba stadium dong mi sngi la thalabo Joai hagani ke sngi penkut UMLA ke Joai constituency uba wailat miki shilla ulawan banya shimbenta ban longkum kongsan mat ulayo ruban penhak perdano ya ketika jingele kai sports haga rukom ka bai isyong kun bha
Class, congratulations Gracia Higher Secondary School. Let us all give Yarman Will a big round of applause. The runners-up in the girls category goes to St. Dominic. Give them a big round of applause. Congratulations, government. Let us all give a big secondary school. Once again, let us all give them a big round of applause. North Liberty with 9 gold, 7 silver. We have not come to the end. Please maintain your discipline. Kasnita usap bu emlet pidi chan yang chua.
Teachers for North Liberty, Hebeb! Hebeb! Teachers for North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Hebeb! Hebeb!
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya